Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn a very easy and mark scoring topic, okay, which is adjective interrogative. This video is relevant for anyone who's learning French. The screen which you can see is from the HSC 11th standard textbook Rencontre, chapter number 5, grammar. Okay, very easy topic, just be present with me. Adjective interrogative. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Obviously, as the name suggests, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. They agree in number and gender with the noun that they qualify. I hope by now you are aware that every adjective in French, it it corresponds with the number and gender of the noun. If the noun is masculine, adjective will be masculine. If the noun is masculine plural, adjective will be masculine plural. If the noun is feminine plural, adjective will also be feminine plural accordingly. So they have to agree in number and gender of the noun. Now, which are the interrogative adjectives? There are four interrogative adjectives, pretty much easy. Okay, for masculine singular. And the meaning of all these four is same. What is the meaning? Kel means what or which. All of these words which you can see here, kel, the four columns. These all mean what or which. So make a curly bracket in your textbook or in your notebook where you're making notes. Make a curly bracket in front of all the four types of kel and write what or which. But the only difference is someone is for some kel is for masculine, some is for feminine. Now we are looking into it. Okay. So for masculine singular we have QUEL. QUEL. Masculine singular pronounced as kel. For masculine plural we have QUELS plural. Feminine singular we have QUELLE kel. For feminine plural we have QUELLES. Pretty much easy. Kel masculine plural. Kel with an S masculine. Sorry, kel masculine singular. Kel with an S is masculine plural. Kel QUELLE feminine singular. Kel with S is feminine plural. Now let us look into the examples. So what do we have? In masculine singular we have quel sport aimes tu? Which sport do you like? Which sport do you like? Sport. The noun sport is masculine and singular. Hence we have used QUEL. Now for the plural. Quel sport do you aim? Now sport has become plural and it is masculine. So we'll add an S to the QUEL as well and it will become plural. Which sports do you like? Feminine, we have quelle ville visite-t-il? Which city does he visit? So wheel, the noun wheel is feminine and singular. Hence we have used QUELLE. For plural, we have quelle ville visite-t-il? Now wheel also has an S. Wheel has become plural. Feminine plurals. For feminine plural, what do we have? QUELLES. Okay. Which cities do they visit? Now note, adjective quel in all its form is used to frame an exclamatory sentence. Obviously, what a beautiful place. What a bad creature. What an intelligent teacher. So, these all are what? Exclamatory sentence, but still I am using the word what. Same goes with French. Quel is usually an interrogative word only, but to exclamate about something, you can use quel in an exclamatory sentence also. For example, quelle grande surprise! What a great surprise! Quel bruit! What noise! Okay? A pretty much easy topic, pretty scoring topic. You should not make any mistake in this topic. The exercise given here is for your homework. Take a snapshot, write it down in your notes. Do let me know if you have any doubt in solving this. Take a snapshot of this one as well. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, even the minutest doubt. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.